The perfect vacation cocktail was born at the Caribe Hilton in Puerto Rico. The Piña Colada was served to welcome each guest that visited the property. Today, we'll show you how to make one. Piña Colada, meaning strained pineapple, is a simple blend of 4 ingredients: pineapple juice, cream of coconut, ice, and great white rum. Let's get started with 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Fresh is always best, but don't let that stop you from crafting this cocktail. Canned juice will work just fine. Next, we will pour 1.5 ounces of cream of coconut. Coco Lopez is the original ingredient, and being that it was birthed in Puerto Rico, we'll keep this cocktail very traditional. As it's made with fresh sugarcane juice, Kohana Kea is the perfect rum to elevate the Piña Colada. We will use 2 ounces to bring depth into this mix. Often overlooked, your ice will be a critical component of this cocktail. It takes about a cup of cracked ice to give the perfect texture to the Piña Colada. And that's everything. Cover your blender and turn it on. While the cocktail is blending, let's get our garnish set. Put aside 2 beautiful but simple pineapple fronds, which will play the role. Now that our Piña Colada has a creamy consistency, we are ready to pour into our tall glass. Finally, let's add those 2 pineapple fronds, and then we are ready to begin our liquid vacation. Cheers.